Hi, I'm Brittany Podolak.
And I'm Tom Rousey. Together, we'd like to talk about the RSCM.
RSCM stands for Dell's Relationship Sales Competency Model. It's the roadmap to sales success.
The RSCM is applicable to any relationship sales role across Dell and is composed of the 8 competencies appearing on your screen right now.
Tom, you're blocking the competencies.
Oops, sorry. I'm not used to being an avatar.
Each competency includes a definition, defining the core aspects of the competency, representative behaviors, which are examples of key behaviors of the competency, and behavioral anchors, describing each representative behavior at 3 go-to-market approaches, which are, Tom.
Have you noticed how big your head is? Mine feels huge.
Tom.
Oh, right. GTM Level 1, Product Focused. This approach focuses on the speed and quality of response to the customer. Success at this approach typically requires product and sales process expertise so that purchases can occur rapidly once the need is identified. GTM Level 2, Customer Operations Focused. Here the focus is on solutions that result in process or operational improvements within the customer's organization. For this level, a sales professional needs operational expertise and an in-depth understanding of the customer's business to establish credibility, as well as knowledge of the product and services portfolio. Hey, you mind taking this last one, Britt? This big avatar head's making me feel woozy.
No problem, Tom. I'm used to doing all the work anyways.
Hey.
Finally, there's GTM Level 3, Business Value Focused. This level focuses on solutions that significantly impact a customer's key business metrics, with the salesperson providing strategic insight. This means the sales professional needs fluency and expertise around the customer, industry, or vertical, so they can influence policy within the customer's organization to advance the sponsor's agenda. Consider the sales competencies to be your guide to success at any go-to-market approach. Use them to benchmark sales performance and set performance plans, to train, coach, and develop current sales team members, and to hire new sales talent. Think you can handle this last bit, Tom?
Got it. To learn more, visit the RSCM website, where you'll find additional information and resources, including a downloadable version of the complete competency model.
Your relationships with customers are key to unlocking our sales potential. Use these competencies as a guide to creating customers who see Dell as a trusted solutions provider that fuels their success.
And ours.